kind of chocolate. I don't understand. It tastes so good. Are you okay? I love chocolate. Okay, so, you need to stop eating all this chocolate, or else you're gonna get fat, then you're not gonna be able to fit in your costume. Costume? What do you mean costume? I mean, your puppet suit. I don't know what you mean, but I love chocolate, alright. Tootsie Rolls, Whoppers, M&M's. Wait, what's that? You got me a place to put my chocolate. Yeah. I believe he was meaning to say that is actually just a riff. Freddy, don't tell him. Don't do it, Freddy. Don't do it. Don't tell me what. I mean, I don't care whatever anybody says, as long as I got my chocolate. Reese's, M&M's, Snickers, Twix. I love chocolate. I don't feel too good. Nightmare Foxy, I need to talk with you. What, Freddy? I mean, what? I guess. Is this thing on? Okay, it's back. Oh gosh. Okay, I gotta tell you guys something special. That puppet is crazy. I mean, look at it. I love chocolate. Stop doing chocolate, I'm afraid. Why? Okay, that's it. Both of you, time out. Did you really just say time out to me? You stupid fox, I better beat you up. Oh, my back hurts. Freddy, you know what? This is it for you. That felt better. I think he broke my ear. I don't feel good. Oh God, it looks horrible. Oh no. I think I'm gonna need to call a doctor. I'm gonna go do that. Hello, doctor. It's Nightmare Foxy speaking. Nightmare, what is the price? It's me, Phantom. And what do you need exactly? I mean, the puppet's out of control. He's gone, or she, I don't even know. It's under that mask. It's gone crazy with chocolate. I'll be over in 20 seconds. Okay, so the problem doesn't even, I don't know, anything. It's just chocolate. I'm here. What were you saying? How'd you get here so fast anyway? I said I'd be here in 20 minutes, and I wasn't lying. I'm actually surprised for once. Yeah, you should be. I'm Phantom. Yeah. So explain to me, how bad was it? I mean, there was a bear. His name was Freddy. Yeah, I know Freddy. Yeah, he was tackling me, everything. Now there's a cage. Puppet thing it puts chocolate in there for just, I don't know, anything. I see. I'm gonna call my friends, they can help me. Hello, Mr. Springtrap. Hey. So, what's the problem? Chocolate. I got this. Super speed. Active. Okay, we're back. Somehow. I don't even know what's going on. I mean, I was moving from here all the way over there. I still couldn't sit down. I was going in here. I'm like, and it just wouldn't work. I couldn't sit down. I think I got a problem. We're not here for that. Okay, we're all here to talk about the chocolate problem, right? Yeah? So, we should all deal with it. Okay? Oh, yes, I'd like to add to that. Let's make a trap. Deal. Okay, I'm back. I set up a trap. Okay, ready, everybody? Let's go. Okay, everybody ready? Ready? Okay. Action! I want the puppet out! Let's go! What do you mean I have to get on myself? Ah! Chocolate? Ooh! I'm gonna eat all this. Hey, it looks like a trail! What is that? More chocolate! Eat it all! Eat it all! Yeah! Chocolate apple! Go! What? I'm gonna get you, puppet! No! No! Ow! Guys, I need more help. I'm not strong enough to steer one. Oh, come on, Freddy, help me out, man. Oh, okay. What's your chocolate on this? Freddy! Hey, I mean, I can't sneak peek. Come on! Zip it! Zip it! Zip it! Zip it! I got this! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! I just got my chocolate. Oh, you! You're staying right here. Everybody, the puppet's taken care of. Now you guys, chocolate. Yeah. Uh-oh. No. Now that's how you take care of a problem.